Yeah.
Refueling truck is on its way. Catering vehicles are on their way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it.
I'm out for the walk around.
Okay.
Fuel truck is
12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Merselek Airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Merselek Airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Merselek Airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Merselek Airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Merselek Airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu,
I'm
surface
back,
wind 060
no issues on the
degrees,
walk around.
7
Okay.
knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature 21 degrees, depth point 12 degrees, QNH 1016, landing and departing runway 13, transition level 060, advise on initial contact, you have information uniform. Select airport information uniform 0547 Zulu, surface wind 060 degrees, 7 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay.
Ground, good morning, Bolotea 20066. Request IFR clearance to Ajaccio Airport with information uniform.
Bolotea 2006, Rodez ground, information Victor current, cleared to Campo de la Rovia de Bassi 6 Echo departure, runway 13, climb to flight level 080 squawk 1000.
Cleared to Ajaccio Airport, climb initial flight level 080 and we squawk 1000.
Bolotea 2006, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start.
Call you back for engine start, Bolotea 2006.
Hi, the security and safety checks are all done. Are we good to start boarding?
Yes.
Okay.
Passenger's bus is coming. Passengers boarding started.
Okay, are you ready for the departure briefing? Are you ready for the approach briefing? Are you ready for the departure briefing?
Go ahead.
We are cleared to Ajaccio Airport. Initial climb flight level 080. On course to Bosley. In case of emergency, I will stop taking off. And brake max. Anyway, it will be config 1+F departure. Initial climb to flight level 080. Any questions?
No questions.
Thank you. Volotea 2006 ready for start.
Volotea 2006, startup approved. Call when ready for taxi.
Call you when ready for taxi, Volotea 2006.
Hi guys, here's the load sheet for you.
Okay, thank you. Cockpit préparation checklist
Gear pits and covers.
removed.
Fuel quantity.
6 tons. 6,000 kilograms. 6,000 kilograms. Say again.
Fuel quantity.
6,000 kilograms. 6 tons. Say again.
Fuel quantity.
6,000 kilograms.
Seat belts.
On.
Adheres.
Number.
Barrow ref.
1016 set. 1016 set.
1016 set. Cockpit preparation checklist completed.
Before start checklist.
Parking brake.
Set.
Takeoff speeds and thrust.
V1 124, VR 124, V2 129, flexing 62 degrees. Flexing 62 degrees.
V1 124 VR 124 V2 129 Windows
Closed.
Beacon
On.
Before start checklist completed.
Hello Captain, we are ready for pushback.
Starting engine 1.
Okay.
Starting engine 2.
Okay.
After a starter checklist.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Ecam status.
Normal. Checked.
Pitch trim.
0.4. %.
Rudder trim.
Neutral.
After start checklist completed.
Volotea 2006 ready to taxi.
Volotea 2006, taxi to holding point Charlie, runway 13 via Alpha 1 Charlie.
Alpha 1 Charlie for runway 13 Volotea 2006.
Negative taxi via Alpha 1 Charlie.
Alpha 1 Charlie.
Negative taxi via Alpha 1 Charlie.
taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1, Charlie.
Negative, taxi via Alpha 1 Charlie.
Taxi to holding point Charlie, runway 13 via Alpha 1 Charlie, velocity at 2006.
You need to stop the engines to request ground services.
Brake check.
Pressure 0.
The cabin is now secure for takeoff.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a safe flight.
Control Voltaire 2006, ready for departure.
Voltaire 2006, Clermont, wind 080 degrees, 9 knots, runway 13 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 13 cleared for takeoff, Voltaire 2006.
Flight control check.
Ready. Full down. Full up. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Radar.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Taxi checklist.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Checked. Flap setting.
Config 1 plus F.
Config 1 plus F. Radar and predictive wind shear system.
On and auto.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
ECAM memo.
Takeoff no blue.
Taxi checklist completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, All portable electronic equipment and mobile phones should be switched off as we are now about to start our pre-flight safety briefing. We are now going to take you through our safety procedures and equipment. As this information is for your benefit, we ask you to watch and listen carefully. The safety card in your seats area shows
Clear before
details of
departure.
escape routes, oxygen masks, and life jackets.
Takeoff runway
It
confirmed.
also shows the bracing position,
Approach path,
which you
clear of
must
traffic.
adopt in an emergency landing.
Cabin crew be seated for takeoff.
In the unlikely event of having to use the escape slide, leave all hand baggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes as they may tear the slide. Please now ensure that your table is folded away, your seat back is upright with the armrest down and your seat belt fastened. The seat belt is fastened and adjusted like this, and unfastened like this. When the fasten seatbelt signs are on, you must go back to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely.
Line up checklist.
For your own comfort and safety, we recommend you
Takeoff
keep your
runway.
seatbelt fastened at all times and visible
13 confirmed.
to avoid being
Checked.
disturbed in flight.
TCAS.
TA array.
Packs 1 and 2.
If the cabin
Off.
air supplies fail,
Line-up checklist
oxygen will be
completed.
provided. Masks like this will appear automatically.
Ready?
Stay in
Ready.
your seat and pull a mask towards you.
Take off.
This will open your
Check.
oxygen supply. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this, and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Do make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside
Man
your seat.
Flex
In the event of
62.
landing on water,
SRS
remove the life jacket from its
runway
container
auto
and put it
throttle
over your
blue.
head. Pass the tapes round your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using the mouthpiece. There is a whistle here for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft.
Thrust set
We will
100
supply
knots.
life cots for babies and life
Check.
jackets for infants.
V1. Rotate.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, please study the safety card.
All aircraft be
and take
advised
notice of the
information
fasten
whiskey now
seatbelt
current
signs. May we remind you that
QNH1016.
electrical
Positive
portable
climb.
items such as games,
Gear up.
computing and word processing equipment
Gear up.
may interfere with the aircraft systems and must be switched off during takeoff and landing. Portable telephones must be switched off while the
Follow
aircraft
Jet
engines are running.
2006, climb on departure.
As this is a
Good morning,
notification
identified,
service,
climb flight
the
level
notification
100.
signs will remain on for the
Climb flight
duration
level
of the
100
flight.
below tier
Smoking
2006.
is not permitted at any time whilst on board. If you have any questions, please ask one of the crew. Thank you.
Packs are on.
Checked. Flaps 0. Flaps 0.
Speed checked. Flap 0.
Autopilot 1 on. Set standard.
Standard cross-checked. Passing flight level 070. Now.
Checked.
Follow Jet 2006, contact border control 125.375.
Contact Auto Control 125.375 below tier 2006. Have a good morning. Auto Control below tier 2006, passing flight level 078, climbing to flight level 100 direct Basel.
Follow tier 2006, Auto Control, identified, climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190 below tier 2006.
1000 to go.
Checked.
Follow tier 2662, contact Marseille Control 120.75.
Center on 120.75, below tier 2662, bye-bye.
Volotea 2006, request proceed direct Frejorg.
Follow tier 2006, Roger, say fixed name.
Fox Juliette Romeo.
Follow tier 2006, you broke up, say again fixed name.
Request direct Frejorg.
Follow tier 2006, you broke up, say again fixed name.
Request Ginia from present position.
Follow tier 2006, you broke up, say again fixed name.
Request direct Saleng.
Follow tier 2006, confirm direct to Saline.
Affirmative.
Follow tier 2006, Roger, clear direct to Saline.
Clear direct to Saline below tier 2006.
Red Nose 5528, contact Marseille Control 130.85, have a good morning.
Center on 130.85, Red Nose 5528, good day.
Ah non. Il y a le viaduc de Millau là.
Follow tier 2006, contact Marseille Control 130.85, good day.
Center on 130.85 below tier 2006, good day. Marseille Control below tier 2006, passing flight level 160, climbing to flight level 190 direct Saline.
Follow tier 2006, Marseille Control identified. Lufthansa 85 Mike, contact Marseille Control 124.5, good day.
Contact Marseille Control 124.5, Lufthansa 85 Mike.
$1,000 to go.
Checked.
Marseille Control, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, good morning, flight level 340.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, Marseille Control identified.
Volotea 2006, request flight level 290.
Follow tier 2006, confirm your altitude flight level 290.
Affirmative.
Follow tier 2006, Roger, climb flight level 290.
Climb flight level 290 below tier 2006.
Air France 7330, contact Provence, information approach 132.905.
Contact Provence, information approach 132.905, Air France 7330.
Swiss 2083, contact Marseille Control 124.5.
Center 124.5, Swiss 2083.
Alpine 1816, contact border control 125.375.
Contact border control 125.375, Alpine 1816.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll soon be passing through the cabin with your meal. On the menu today we have a variety of dishes, full details of which can be found in our onboard magazine inside the seat back pocket in front of you. During the meal service we ask that you return your seat to the upright position as a courtesy to your fellow travellers. Thank you.
Marseille Control, French Post 755, flight level 190.
French Post 755, Marseille Control identified. Foxtrot Golf Oscar Victor Tango, Livex heading 358, direct Jamel.
Livex heading 358, direct Jamel, Foxtrot Golf, Oscar Victor Tango.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, cleared Lima 8 Kilo, arrival runway 15.
Cleared Lima 8 Kilo, arrival runway 15, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo.
$1,000 to go.
Checked.
Lufthansa 61 Hotel, contact Marseille Control 124.5.
Contact Marseille Control 124.5, Lufthansa 61 Hotel.
Bravo, good morning, flight level 360.
Alpine 87 Victor Romeo Marseille Control identified. Follow tier 2662, contact Marseille Control 124.5, have a good morning.
Center on 124.5, follow tier 2662.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, descent to flight level 170.
Descent to flight level 170, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo.
Ryanair 64 Mike, contact Marseille Control 124.5.
Center on 124.5, Ryanair 64 Mike.
French Post 755, contact Barcelona Center 119.45.
Contact Barcelona Center 119.45, French Post 755.
Marseille Control, Iberia 060 Kilo, flight level 330.
Iberia 06 Zulu Kilo, Marseille Control identified. Follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie, cleared Merba 2 Kilo, arrival runway 23.
Cleared Merba 2 Kilo, arrival runway 23, follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie.
Follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie.
Follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie, descent to flight level 130.
Descent to flight level 130, follow tier 3 Whiskey Charlie.
Follow tier 2006, contact Marseille Control 124.5.
Contact Marseille Control 124.5 below tier 2006, have a good morning. Marseille Control below tier 2006, flight level 290.
Follow tier 2006, Marseille Control identified. Marseille Control, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, good morning, passing flight level 294, descending to flight level 170.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, Marseille Control identified.
Volotea 2006, request a direct Rodez from present position.
Volotea 2006, confirm direct to Rodez.
Affirmative.
Volotea 2006, roger, cleared direct to Rodez.
Cleared direct to Rodez, Volotea 2006.
Fueling 365 November, descend via start to 8,000 feet, QNH 1014.
Descend via start to 8,000 feet, QNH 1014, fueling 365 November.
Lufthansa 61 Hotel, contact Marseille Control 120.85. Contact Marseille Control 120.85, Lufthansa 61 Hotel. Fueling 365 November, contact Nice approach 128.2.
Contact Nice approach 128.2, fueling 365 November.
France Soleil 680 Echo, contact Marseille Control 130.85, have a good morning.
Contact Marseille Control 130.85, France Soleil 68 Zulu Echo.
Soleil 8497, contact Marseille Control 130.85. Contact Marseille Control 130.85, France Soleil 8497. Volotea 2662, contact Marseille Control 120.85.
Center on 120.85, Volotea 2662, bye-bye.
Ryanair 64 Mike, contact Marseille Control 120.85, bye-bye.
Center on 120.85, Ryanair 64 Mike, bye-bye.
Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, descend to flight level 080.
Descend to flight level 080, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo. Marseille Control, Alpine 87 Victor Romeo, passing flight level 345, descending to flight level 180. Alpine 87 Victor Romeo, Marseille Control identified.
Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instruction, and advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06322, surface wind variable to knots. Ceiling and visibility, okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instruction, and advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06322, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility, okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instructions, and advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06322, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility, okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instructions, and advise on initial contact you have information like that.
Ryanair 637 Alpha, cleared Bispa 3 anti-arrival runway 06 left. Cleared Bispa 3 anti-arrival runway 06 left, Ryanair 637 Alpha. Marseille Control, Ryanair 344 Foxtrot, flight level 370. Ryanair 344 Foxtrot, Marseille Control identified. Alpine 45 Tango Bravo, contact Marseille Control 120.85.
Contact Marseille Control 120.85, Alpine 45 Tango Bravo.
Temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instructions, and advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06320, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility, okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back over short instructions, and advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06322, surface...
Air Algerie 1137, contact Marseille Control 130.85.
Center on 130.85, Air Algerie 1137.
12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back or hold short instructions, advise on initial contact you have information like that. Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06320, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility...
Ryanair 637 Alpha, contact Marseille Control 130.85, have a good morning. Center on 130.85, Ryanair 637 Alpha, bye-bye.
Transition level 050, read back...
Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima, cleared Sols 1 Lima arrival, runway 03. Cleared Sols 1 Lima arrival, runway 03, Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima.
Tempo Delaware Airport, information like 06322, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility, okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back or hold short...
Valokia 2006, cleared Rubas 3 Sierra, arrival runway 02.
Cleared Rodez 3 Sierra for runway 02, Valokia 2006.
Okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 7.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back or hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact you have information, Mike. Tempo Delaware Airport information, Mike 0632 Zulu, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 0.17 degrees, QNH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Landing and departing runway 02, transition level 050, read back or hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact you have information, Mike. Tempo Delaware Airport information, Mike 0632 Zulu, surface wind variable 2 knots. Ceiling and visibility okay, temperature to 8 degrees, 0.17 degrees.
Alpine 87 Victor Romeo, descent to flight level 090. Descent to flight level 090, Alpine 87 Victor Romeo.
Transition level 050.
Croatia 37 Sierra, cleared test 3 Zulu arrival, runway 32 right.
Cleared test 3 Zulu arrival, runway 32 right, Croatia 37 Sierra.
Information Mike 0632 Zulu, surface.
Eurowings 8 Charlie Mike, contact Marseille control 120.85. Center on 120.85, Eurowings 8 Charlie Mike.
Wind 230 degrees, 12 knots.
Marseille control, Euro plus 3190 Golf, good morning, flight level 380.
Level 050, read back or hold short instructions.
Euro plus 31NT Golf, Marseille control identified. Croatia 37 Sierra, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Croatia 37 Sierra.
Croatia 37 Sierra, descent to flight level 200.
Descent to flight level 200, Croatia 37 Sierra.
Surface wind 230 degrees.
2 Jet 9 Papa Delta, contact Marseille control 120.85.
Center on 120.85, 2 Jet 9 Papa Delta.
You have information, Mike.
Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima.
Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima, descent to 6,000 feet, QNH 1016.
Temperature to 8 degrees.
Descent to 6,000 feet, QNH 1016, Ryanair 4 Alpha Lima.
12 knots. Landing and departing runway
Air 058, contact Barcelona Center 119.45.
Advise on initial
Contact Barcelona Center 119.45 at Air 058.
Tempo Delaware Airport information.
Valotia 2006, report ready for descent.
Valotia 2006, we are ready for descent now.
Surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots.
Valotia 2006, descend via start to 3,000 feet, QNH 1013.
Read back or hold.
Descend via start to 3,000 feet to NH 1013, Valotia 2006.
Valotia 2006, contact Marseille control 120.85.
Center on 120.85, Valotia 2006, good day. Good morning, Marseille control, Valotia 2006, passing flight level 290, descending to 3,000 feet.
Valotia 2006, Marseille control identified. Corsica 251, contact Marseille control 124.725. Contact Marseille control 124.725, Corsica 251.
NH 1013, surface wind 230 degrees, 12 knots. Land.
Are you ready for
Ryanair 64
the
Mike
approach
contact me
briefing?
on radar 124.925, good day.
Center on 124.925, Ryanair 64 Mike.
We are clear to descend to 3,000 feet on Ariba 3 Sierra arrival. We intercepted Oro IAF waypoint to get ILS 20. Decision 8 is 1260 feet. It will be a full flaps landing in case of a missed approach. climb to 3000 feet. First we take a left turn to heading 242 degrees, and we climb to 3000 feet and expect the vectors. Any questions?
No questions.
Thank you. Alors la longueur de la piste 2 km 3. Piste de 2 km 300, on sortira par le taxiway Charlie. On remontera Delta 1, Delta 2, Tango pour le parking. Voilà. Passer 7 QNH 1013
1013 set, passing 25,200. Now.
Checked. Approach checklist.
Barrow ref.
1013 set.
1013 set. Seatbelts.
On.
Minimum.
1260 feet set. 1200 feet set.
Auto brake.
Low armed.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist completed.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Your captain speaking. We are about to get Ajaccio airport in about 15 minutes. Temperature at Ajaccio is 28 degrees. Very nice weather at destination. We hope you a very good flight and hope to see you again with Voltaire. Mesdames et messieurs, bonjour, votre capitaine. Nous arrivons dans 15 minutes à l'aéroport de Ajaccio. La température est de 28 degrés, le temps est beau avec quelques nuages. Nous vous souhaitons une agréable fin de vol et espérons vous revoir très bientôt sur Voltaire.
2NH1013, expect the ILS Zulu approach runway 02, Velotia 2006.
Velotia 2006, reduce speed 170 knots.
Reduce speed 170 knots, Velotia 2006.
Ah oui, trafic à 11h.
Corsica 46 Tango Yankee, cleared direct Taro, cross or at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02.
Cleared direct Taro, cross or at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02, Corsica 46 Tango Yankee.
Velotia 2006, cleared direct Taro, cross or at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02.
Cleared direct Taro, cross or at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02, Velotia 2006.
Velotia 2006, minimum approach speed.
Minimum approach speed, Velotia 2006.
Hi, Captain. The cabin is now secure for landing.
Ok, c'est clair. Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
Et bonjour. J'arrive.
Ajaccio approach, Corsica 37 Charlie Echo, passing flight level 119, descending to 3,000 feet with information November.
Ah, j'ai regardé, ça allait, c'est monté.
Corsica 37 Charlie Echo, Ajaccio approach, QNH 1013, expect the ILS approach runway 02. QNH 1013, expect the ILS Zulu approach runway 02, Corsica 37 Charlie Echo. Corsica 46 Tango Yankee, contact Ajaccio Tower 118.075. Over to Tower 118.075, Corsica 46 Tango Yankee, good day.
$1,000 to go.
Checked.
Radio altimeter alive.
Checked.
Valotia 2006, contact Ajaccio Tower 118.075.
Over to Tower 118.075, Valotia 2006. Ajaccio Tower, Valotia 2006, ILS Zulu approach runway 02.
Valotia 2006, Ajaccio Tower, continue.
Wilco Valotia 2006.
Flaps full. Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
And gear down. Gear down.
Gear down. Cabin crew be seated for landing.
Landing checklist.
ECAM memo.
Landing no blue.
Landing checklist completed. $1,000.
Check.
Bank.
1,000.
Glide slow. Glide slow. Glide slow.
Corsica 46 Tango Yankee, exit left at Delta.
Exit left at Delta, Corsica 46 Tango Yankee.
Valotia 2006, final 02.
Valotia 2006, roger. Fly runway centerline, maintain 3,000 feet.
Fly runway centerline, maintain 3,000 feet, Valotia 2006.
500. Volotia 2006, contact Ajaccio, approach 121.05.
Contact Ajaccio, approach 121.05, Volotia 2006. Ajaccio approach, Volotia 2006, good morning, 500 feet.
Don't sink.
Corsica 37 Charlie Echo, cleared direct Haro, cross Haro at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02.
Don't sink.
Cleared direct Haro, cross Haro at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Zulu, approach runway 02, Corsica 37 Charlie Echo.
Don't sink.
Volotia 2006, welcome back. Continue.
Continue Volotia 2006.
40. 30.
Don't sink.
20. Retard.
Don't sink.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. $70 knots.
After landing checklist.
Radar and predictive wind shear system.
Off.
After landing checklist completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to welcome you to our destination. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, leaving all items of hand luggage safely stowed until the seatbelt signs have been switched
Volotia
off.
2006,
Before
taxi
you
to
leave the
gate.
aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal items and hand luggage with you.
Volotia 2006, you need to make a taxi request and check the frequency.
We'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area. If you require assistance when you leave the aircraft, please contact a member of our ground staff. If you're connecting to another flight today and hold a boarding card and transfer wallet advising you of your departure terminal, please follow the signs to flight connections.
Ajaccio ground, good morning, Volotia 2006, ready to taxi to gate.
Recommend that you go straight to your departure terminal.
Volotia 2006, welcome to Campo de Lara Airport. Safe parking or advice if need assignment.
Once again,
Request
ladies and
any
gentlemen,
gate,
on behalf of the
Volotia
entire
2006.
airline, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us
Volotia
today.
2006, taxi to ramp 1 via Tango.
Thank you.
Taxi to ramp 1 via Tango, Volotia 2006.
All aircraft be advised, information Oscar now current QNH 1013.
Mais c'est quoi ce joystick? Parking checklist.
Parking brake or chocks.
Set.
Engines.
Off.
Wing lights.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Parking checklist completed.
Thank you.
France Soleil 7083, request IFR clearance to Nantes-Atlantique Airport.
France Soleil 7083, Ajaccio ground information Oscar current cleared to Nantes-Atlantique Airport runway 02. After departure radar vectors pigs climb to flight level 060 squawk 1000.
Cleared to Nantes-Atlantique Airport, runway 02. After departure radar vectors pigs climb to flight level 060 squawk 1000. France Soleil 7083.
France Soleil 7083, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start.
Wilco, France Soleil 7083.
Corsica 37 Charlie Echo taxi to ramp 2 via Hotel Delta 2 Tango.
Taxi to ramp 2 via Hotel Delta 2 Tango, Corsica 37 Charlie Echo.
France Soleil 7083, ramp 8, request pushback and engine start.
France Soleil 7083, Ajaccio ground, hold position for traffic. I'll call you back.
Hold position for traffic, France Soleil 7083.